FireEye is a cybersecurity company. We are very good at detecting really serious threats. FireEye grew significantly in the last several years, and with that growth came growth of the amounts of data that we have to process. We came to the point where data access became a challenge, and traditional systems like relational databases would not scale at the speed that we needed the solution to scale to provide adequate access to the user community.
Our platform collects data about the malwares that are available in the field and how are they being analyzed, which industry is being targeted, what are some of the infection vectors.
With implementation of Cloudera Hadoop, we were able to get the data that we weren't able to get before. The response time is many times faster than anything that a relational database would be able to serve on specific types of analytical queries.
Researchers specifically, they use this data to identify new vulnerabilities, zero-day attacks. This research activity will be expedited due to the distributed nature of the platform, and they will be look at a more bigger data set, do machine learning and other activities to identify new kind of threats. We are opening a new door and a new opportunity and a new way of gathering information and doing the research.